Hello, in today's video we are going to look at how you can clone a virtual machine on Hyper-V. Installing a new virtual machine can be rather time consuming, especially when you want to install more than just the operating system. It would be nice if you can quickly deploy multiple virtual machines from an already built virtual machine. How can you build a new virtual machine from an already existing virtual machine? I will show you in this video how to build a clone from an already existing virtual machine. So let's get started. You check the virtual machine you want to clone if everything is up to the way you want it, including all the software in the updates. After you check the virtual machine and it is exactly the way you want it, you shut down that virtual machine. I usually do it this way. Shut down. Now you select the virtual machine you want to clone. Do an export. For the sake of this video, I'm going to store this on my desktop. Say select and export. Now it starts exporting basically the virtual machine. Now you have exported your virtual machine. You can go create a new virtual machine either by going to the action and saying, where's it, import new virtual machine, or just click here, import virtual machine, get a dialog screen. Well, where was the virtual machine? Well, here it was. So now you can select which one you want. If you have multiple copies on the same location, well, I have one, so that's this one. And here you have to pick one. Register the virtual machine in place, restore the virtual machine, or copy a virtual machine. Well, we are cloning the virtual machine, so we are creating a copy with a new unique ID. So now you get a new dialog screen. Store the virtual machine in a different location. That's what I usually do. And let me see. Go to this location. Now I want to store everything in that location. Storage folder. Now you get a summary of the decisions you made. Machine, location, well, what you just did basically. I'll click finish and it starts importing, and again I will speed up the video. So now the import is done. All you want to do is change the name. Now you're going to check if it works. Start. Let's connect to the desktop. And there is my Windows 10 Test 2 clone, a clone of Test 1. The entire process took less than 10 minutes in real time. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll start work on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.